Exercise 3.1, question number 1. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? So, it is asked that if you want to explain or describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person, how you will describe it? So, we know that we can use here the Cartesian system to explain or to describe the position of a table lamp. So for solution, the table lamp is 2 feet from the sitting side of the desk. You can see that here it is, suppose here is the sitting chair, yeah, table, desk, and from this side the table lamp is that at the distance of 2 feet here. This is 2 feet at the distance and 1 feet from its right edge, and suppose we take the distance as 1 feet from the right side of the study table. So we can write the position of lamp as 2, 1. So to describe the position, we use the XY coordinates. Next question number 2. A street plan is given. A city has 2 main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These 2 roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. All the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meters apart. There are about 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter equal to 200 meter, draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the roads or streets by single lines. There are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by 2 streets, one running in the north-south direction and another in the east-west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we will call the cross street 2, 5. Using this convention, find how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3. And another question, how many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4. So first, according to the street plan given, first we draw the model of it. Now we take north-south direction as y-axis. Here you can see that is vertical line we take, and east-west direction as your x-axis. Now in both the direction there are 5 streets which are running parallel to each other. So you can see we have drawn here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, we have drawn here 5 streets in east-west direction and 5 streets in north-south direction, and all are parallel to each other. Now already the measurement is given that we have to take the measurement as 1 centimeter equal to 200 meter. Distance between 2 streets is given like this. And it is also given that we referred how to use the convention. This is also given. So according to the shown convention, we have to find out how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3 and how many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4. For this, you can see that after preparing the model, we use to find out the given cross street position, that is 4, 3. So when we look at that, we can see that only one such possibility is there for 4, 3, and similarly there is only one possibility for 3, 4. So for solution we write only one cross street can be referred to as 4, 3. A different cross street can be referred to a 3, 4. So there is only one such cross street for each given points, that is 4, 3 also 1 and 3, 4 also 1. Dear students, please copy exercise 3.1 in CW along with the figures. Thank you.